children. So, our demo for today is about fractions, percentage, and decimals. So, we will talking about first the fractions. So, what is fraction? A fraction from a Latin fractus means broken. So, ang fractor di ay kay na siya Latin, which is the fractus, and the meaning of fractus is broken. So, fractors represents a part of a whole or more, generally any number of equal parts. So, when spoken in English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. For example, 1/2, 8/5, and 3/4. Another example is if we say 1/2, natay circle diri. No, natay circle. Gito nga siya o katunga sa gitunga siya. Gikuluran ang usa. Kuluran ang usa. That means 1/2. Aside from that, iphonin mo og pila ka buksod. For example, 1, 2. Kay usa ra may gikuluran mo na siyang 1. Nya 2 man na sila ka buok mo ng 2. So 1/2. Another is 1/3. When we say 1/3, kuluran na to ang usa. Ipho na to 1/3. Another is 2/3. Another example, 2/3. Kuluran na to ang dering, duha na kabuki kuluran no. So means 2/3. Another example is 1/8. Let's think that this is a pizza. Pizza. Ang pizza, 8 man na siya kabuk pieces. Slice na siya into 8 pieces. So, gikuluran ang usa ka buok pizza, gikaon ang usa ka pizza. So, 1/8. Another example is 1/4. Gikuluran ang usa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mo nang 1/4. Another, we will talking about the proper fractions, the improper fractions, and the mixed fraction. So, here are the proper fractions, improper fractions, so, proper fractions. Unsam din ni ang proper fraction? A proper fraction is a proper has a top number. A top number and a less its bottom number. A proper has a top number less the its bottom number. For example, 3/8. 3/8. 1/4. 14/15. 4/5. Another example is 3/7. 2/5. Muna siya ang example sa proper fractions. The proper fractions means gamay sa babaw o dako sa ubos. Muna siya proper ha. Muna siya proper. There are 3 types of fractions. 3/5. Ibutan ta lang sa 3/5. Ang kuan niya is, ang nas babaw is smaller. Smaller siya. Dayon sa ubos is the larger. Muna siya ang proper fractions. Another example is 9/5. Unsa man siya? Nganong dako ang sa taas. So, ang 9 mo ang larger, ang 5 mo ang smaller. Nganong dako sa taas? Mao din ni siya gitawag na to og improper fraction. This is the improper fraction. Another is second 1/2. 2 and 1/3. Nganong na ito? Nganong na ito? So, gitawag din ni nato siya og mixed fraction. Now, we will talking about what is the improper fraction. Unsa man ni ang improper fraction? The improper fraction is the numerator is greater than or equal the denominator. So, ang numerator is kaning mga nasa babaw. Ang denominator, mo ni siya ang nasa ubos. The example is 4/3, 11/4, 7/7, 5th second. Kung nai 7/7, kay pwede man siya, basta equal siya, muna siya ang gitawag og improper fraction. Another is the mixed fractions. What's the meaning mixed fraction? This is a whole number and the proper fraction together. So example, 2 and 1/3, 1 and 1/3, 2 and 1/4, 16 and 2/5. Muna siya ang mixed number. Another is, we will talking about the percentage. Now, we will talking about the percentage, ha? So, what is percentage? So, a percentage is a ratio of a number to 100. Ang percentage diyan, kaya mo na siya ang ratio to 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign. Mo ni siya ang percent sign. Although the abbreviations PCP and sometimes PC are also used. So, ang percent pwede rin siyang ma-PCP or PC. A percentage is a dimensionless number. It has no unit of a measurement. So, the percentage has no limit of unit. There's no limit of unit measurement. I mean, what siya unit of measurement. So, for example, 45% read as 45% is equal to 45 over 100 or 45 100 or 0.45. Muna siya ang fraction and the decimal. So, maabot rata sa decimal. Now, we will talking about decimal. A decimal is a fraction whose denominator is power of 10 and whose numerator is expressed by figures placed to the right of a decimal point. So, ang kuan di ay ang numerator kay ma-place siya into the right of decimal point. For example, 45.6 or sa pagbasa pa 45.6 45.6 is a decimal number. So, kay naman siya point, naman siya inana, tawag na siya decimal numbers. Another examples are 0.36, 1.45, and 3.96. So, now, we will proceed to kuan mo proceed ta og asa gitipon-tipon ang tulo. So now, mo proceed ta diri. Uni siya ang mga examples where gitipon-tipon ang fractions, decimal, and the percentage. Mao ang tulong nga mga examples. As a fraction, natay 1/2 diri. As a decimal, 0.5. And as a percentage, it is per 50%. So, kay 1/2 man atong kuluran ang diri. Muna siya. Ikuluran na to ang diri nga side. Kay 1/2 man. Another is 1/4. So, kuluran na to diri nga side. 1/4. As a fractions, it is 1/4. As a decimal, it is 0.25. As a percentage, it is 25%. So, another example is this. 1/4. So, 1/4 gihapon siya. 1/4. O, gikulura na to. Muna siya. Diri, sa percent, mag-ihap tag 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Diri kotob. Kulura na to na siya. Kulura na to. Kulura na to. Ang 25 kabo. Muna siya 25%. Kay kaihap man tag 25 nya. Nihunong ta sa 25 atong gikuluran. That means nga 25%. Another is, arita sa percent, a decimal. Another is, aritas decimal. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and 0.7. So, kay natunong man ang ato ang arrow sa 0.3, so ang atong gibutan diri is 0.3. So, another example is the example values. Muna siya ang percent, the decimal, and the fraction. When we're talking about 1%, sa decimal kay 0.1 na siya. Then sa fraction kay 1/100. The percent of 5, this is the percent, the 5%. When we're talking about decimal, muna siya 0.05. And the fraction is 1/20. No. Then another is 10%, 0.1, and 1/10. 12 and 1/2%, and the percent is 0.125 and 1/8. So ang percent di ay sa 1/8 kay 0.125, unya sa kuan percent kay 12 and 1/2. So, another is 20%. Ang kuha niya, decimal is 0.2. And the fraction is 0.5. Mura siya gibali diri sa 5% kay 20 ang kuha, no? Another is 33 and 1/3%. And the decimal is 0.333 and so on. Monang na siya ay tuldok tulo kay so on na siya. Walay kahumanan. Charot. And the fraction is 1/3. Another is 50%. 0.5 and 1/2. So, ang mauna siya ang ganihan dito sa fraction na to. Example. 75%, 0.75 and 3/4. 80%, 0.8 and 4 feet. 90%, 0.5, 0.9 and 9/10. 99%, 0.99 and 99/100. And the 101 is 100% and 1. What siya fraction? mag 100 over 100, that is not kuan good kay matawag na siya improper fraction. So that could be all. Thank you. Hello pupils. So now we're talking about mathematics. So what is mathematics? Mathematics is a study of number, shapes, and patterns. Mathematics is useful for solving problems that occur in the real world. So, many people besides mathematicians study and use mathematics. Now, we're talking about and we will learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication, lastly, division. And this group of 4 operation called arithmetic. So I know nga familiar jud kayo mo ani nga upat kay mao jud ni ang gamito nato sa atong adlaw-adlaw. So, we will proceed to what is addition. The addition is the action or process of adding something to something else. So, if nato i-add, ato i-add sa lain, mo na siyang addition. The addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. So, it is the total sum of two or more numbers. So, ang addition is a total of 2 or more numbers dahil siya. There are some examples here. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And 10 plus 10 equals 20. So, another example, just count the first number of insects plus the number of second insects. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3 is equals 7. 4 insects plus 5 insects equals 9. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Also, you can see here the table of addition. This is the addition table. So let's proceed to another. What is subtraction? Subtraction is a process or skills of taking one another or amount away from another. In math, to subtract means to take away from a group or a number of things. When we subtract, the number of things in the group reduce or become less. The minuend, the subtrahend, and different are parts of subtraction problem. Here are some examples of subtraction. 2 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 6 minus 6 equals 6. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 16 minus 8 equals 8. 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. 20 minus 10 is equals to 10. Here are the other examples. You can see here another examples of subtraction. Next examples are here are the subtraction table. You can see here 1 to 10 subtraction examples. Okay, let's proceed now. What is multiplication? So, we will talking about now what is multiplication. So, multiplication is the process or skill of multiplying. So, ang multiplication, kay mo na siya ang process or skills na if duha mo kabuok, tapos i-times mo og 2, so managhan mo. When we multiply, the number of things in the group increases. So managhan, mo increase siya, mo taas. The two factors and the product are parts of a multiplication problem. So ang factors dahil ug ang product kay muna siya ang kuan part sa multiplication. In the multiplication problem, 6 times 9 is equals to 59. The number 6 and 9 is the factors. So ang 6 di ay nga gi-times og 9 mo na sila ang factors. While the number 54 is the product. The product is the answer. Mo na siya ang answer. Here are some examples of multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1. Siyempre, if ikaw i-times ka og 1, di na siya mukuan. Pero 1 ra gyapon na siya ang answer. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. Look how it increases every number. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 6 equals 36. 7 times 7 is equals to 49. 8 times 8 is equals to 64. 9 times 9 is equals to 81. 10 times 10 is equals to 100. So, here are the multiplication table. Makita niyo tanan ang tanan nga numbers which is gi-multiply 1 to 10 nga multiplication. And now we will proceed to what is division. So what is division? The division is a method of disturbing a group of things. A group of things siya. Disturbing to a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the 4 basic generations of arithmetic. Moto kung giingon ganiha ang addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called arithmetic, which gives a fair result of sharing. Siyempre, if mag-divide ka dayon, di siya kuan mugawas gid nga dili fair. For example, 3 divided by 2, di na siya fair. If 3 groups of 4 make 12 in multiplication, 3 times 4 equals 12 man sa. Ang 3 gi-times mo og kauphat. 12 divided into 3 equal groups give 4 in each group in division. No. What if 89 mo kabuo? Nya ni ana inyong maestra. Let's group into 9. Di taga usa ka group ninyo namoy usa tag 9 ka kuan members. So here are examples of division. 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. 1 dyan na siya. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. 25 divided by 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. 36 divided by 6 is equals to 6. 47 divided by 7 is equals to 7. 64 divided by 8 is equals to 8. 81 divided by 9 is equals to 9. And lastly, 100 divided by 10 is equals to 10. And here are the division table. Here, makita nimo ang mga examples sa division, which is 1 to 10 or more. Makita nimo din ha, nga puros na siya division. So, thank you and God bless. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.